Hey everybody, I'm Scott with Oeveo and I'm here at Infocom and we're going to talk about our cable management products. So right here you can see a selection of our cable management products from simply the cable ties. We sell these via our website, and also we've got sleeves. So you got cable sleeves. So we do a variety of sizes. So this is for the little guys, and this is obviously for the big guys. If cable sleeves were snakes, this would be the boa constrictor. You can see it in action right here on our booth. It's excellent. You can verge off your cable at any point in the sleeve, and allowing you to go to different places, but keeping things organized, which is very good for your workspace. Right here is a new product we're just releasing. This is a Velcro cable strap. Has our brand on it, which is cool, and you see it in action at our booth on this piece right here. It works very simply, keeping those cables all nice, neatly tucked together and out of your way. You can get all our cable management products as well as our mounts for monitors and PCs. Check them all out on Oeveo.com. Thank you very much.